If your Wise account is being closed and you're confused or worried, don't panic. In this video, I'll explain exactly what it means, why it happens, and what you should do step by step, even if you have zero knowledge about Wise and no bank account linked. By the end of this video, you'll clearly know how to handle the situation calmly and correctly. First, let's understand what it actually means when Wise says your account is being closed. When Wise closes an account, it doesn't always mean you've done something wrong. Wise is a regulated financial company, and they regularly review accounts to follow international laws, security rules, and compliance requirements. Sometimes accounts are closed automatically by their system, sometimes after a review, and sometimes due to missing information. Now let's talk about the most common reasons why Wise closes accounts. One common reason is incomplete verification. If your identity documents were not uploaded properly or failed verification, Wise may decide to close the account. Another reason can be inactivity. If you created a Wise account but never used it for a long time, Wise might close it automatically. Sometimes accounts are closed due to internal policy changes or regional restrictions, and in rare cases, accounts are closed due to suspected unusual activity, even if no money was ever used. Now, here's the important part. Since you mentioned you don't have any bank account linked to Wise, handling this situation becomes much simpler. If there's no bank account connected and no money inside your Wise balance, you don't have to worry about losing funds. Wise will simply restrict access and close the account without affecting your money, because there is none stored. Next, let's talk about what you should do immediately after getting the account closure message. First, open your email carefully and read Wise's message completely. Wise usually sends an email explaining that the account will be closed and mentions a deadline or next steps if any action is required. Do not ignore this email. Second, log into your Wise account if access is still available. Sometimes Wise allows limited access for a short time. Check if there are any notifications or instructions inside the app or website. Third, contact Wise support. This step is optional but highly recommended, especially for clarity. You can go to Wise Help Center, choose the topic related to account closure, and send them a message. Keep your message polite and simple. You can say that you're a beginner, you had no bank account linked, and you want to understand the reason for closure. Now, let's answer a very common question. Can you reopen a Wise account once it's closed? In most cases, Wise does not reopen closed accounts. However, depending on the reason, they may allow you to create a new account in the future with the same details. This is why it's important to understand the reason behind the closure. Another big question people ask is, will this affect future Wise accounts? Usually, no. If your account was closed due to inactivity or verification issues, you can often create a new Wise account later with proper documents. But if the closure was due to serious policy violations, Wise may permanently restrict access. Now, here's what you should do going forward. If you plan to use Wise again in the future, make sure your documents are accurate, your identity is verified fully, and your account is active. Always keep your email updated and check Wise messages regularly. Before we end, here's the most important takeaway. If your Wise account is being closed and you don't have a bank account linked or money inside Wise, this situation is low risk and stress-free. Read the email, contact support if needed, and move on calmly. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you understand Wise account closure clearly, give this video a like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech and finance guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.